Yeah boy, Alex Borger here and welcome back to another video. As usual, I'm drinking my trusty pumpkin spice latte, but my buddy Wes Barker challenged me to make a video about the difference between camera tricks and real magic tricks. So I thought that an old-fashioned might be better. Okay. He actually did a couple of videos like this already and they're pretty awesome, and if you guys want to see it, link in the description down below. One of the big reasons why I wanted to do this video is because a lot of you did accuse me to use camera tricks and CGI in my couple of videos on YouTube and on Instagram, like these ones. No camera tricks or CGI involved. It's all real, baby! I promise to you guys, I've never used any CGI or camera tricks in my magic videos. Except, well, this one. So I'll stop talking and let's see if you guys can spot the difference between a camera trick or a real magic trick. Let's go! Alright, let's do this. I have my little setup here and let's watch it together. This is gonna be awesome. I really think I have. Yeah. Right. Here we go. First trick, the Vanishing Sharpie. Here's the first one. Little pen twirl here and boom, Sharpie's gone. Bam. I mean, come on. Now for the second one. Doink. And it's gone. Bam. Just like magic. Amazing. Nothing in the sleeves. It's gone. So yeah, these two are pretty much the same. Same effect, same kind of style. It vanishes like this. But I'm wondering if you caught which one is the camera trick. Is it the first one or the second one? Well, let me tell you right now, it's not the first one. The first one was legit. Bam, it's gone. It's actually sleight of hand manipulation. And I think it's almost better than the actual whoop, camera cut. You can see a little cut, but it's so subtle. It's pretty good. So that was the Vanishing Sharpie. I have another one as well with a Sharpie. It's not a vanish, it's more of a transpo. And let's watch it. This is the first one. Okay, right hand, and bang, left hand. Pure wizard! It was pretty smooth, pretty smooth. Second one now. Doink. Wow. I mean, pretty good. Again, the first one was sleight of hand. No gimmicks involved, by the way. It's a technique that I use often when I want to make stuff vanish. The first one, I mean, is seamless, so smooth. And the second one, you can actually see a little cut. Yeah, you can see it. Pretty smooth too, it's just that I think it's better to do it with sleight of hand than a camera cut, right? All right, now for the third trick of the video. This one is a sponge ball magic trick, because why not? Okay. Place it in this hand and it changes color. Amazing. Amazing. Now for the second version of it. Place it in the hand, little wave, and it changes to green. So which one do you think is the camera trick? The first one or the second one? If you guys think the camera trick was the first one, it is. You can actually see a small cut, and yeah, it doesn't do the same, it doesn't do the same job as the actual sleight. This is the sleight, place it in the hand. Yeah, sleight of hand wins again, man. It still wins. So now here's another version of a sponge ball trick. Again, it's a color changing sponge ball. When I was performing in bars and restaurant, I was always using this technique to change an object to another. And yeah, so here we go. This is the first clip of the color changing one. Whew. If you think that was good, please give this video a like. Now for the second part of it. It's a red one, and let it go and boom, it changes to green. Camera tricks! Yeah, that was a camera trick for sure. You can see the cut. I mean, I could have masked everything and tracked the object like this, but I think, I think for this particular tricks or effect, a sleight is way better. Way more invisible too. Anyways, next one. Bam! Nothing in the hand, jacket is empty, bang! Is that a pumpkin spice latte? Here's the second part of it. Nothing in the hand and BAM! Pumpkin spice latte again. I love pumpkin spice. Can you tell? Alright, so the second clip was the original clip. There were no camera tricks involved, no CGI. It was really just sleight of hand and just a cool way to make it appear. The camera trick version of this trick is way better just because it's so quick, the hands are empty and it just appears like magic, right? Like CGI, but still pretty cool. Alright, so a color changing card. A little something with the eyebrows, a little card twirl. The card will change right now. Bang! Ace of spades, baby. That was good. That was good. Now let's see the second part of the video. Queen of hearts. Same thing with the eyebrows. And it changes to the ace of spades. Bang. Awesome. So for this one, again, there's something I didn't like about the camera trick version. Just because, you know, card magic is awesome, and the thing is that there's no reason to not practice these sleights. I don't really use this sleight often just because it's, I think, way better for camera, but it is a real thing. Like I really did change the card with a sleight, with some skills. That was the one. And the camera trick one, yeah, again, it looks like the video delayed a bit or it lagged, so yeah, the sleight wins again. Oh, this one is good. Let's watch it. Again, nothing in the coat. Now bam! Fire! Out of nowhere, and I have my hairspray. Oh yeah! Alright, second version of it. Nothing in the coat, nothing in my hand, and just like that, boom! Hairspray. I think you guys can notice which one is the camera trick version, right? Yes, the fire was there for real, not the explosion there. Hey, come on, that was a green screen effect added after. But yeah, I did make this bottle of hairspray appear with some fire. If I would have found a better green screen effect like the explosion to put here, I think it would have been better than the actual effect that I performed in front of the camera with the fire and stuff. But yeah, I mean, again, it's so cool that I can see that some of these techniques can really be used on camera. Now for the last one, the vanishing ring. Let's do it. The cool ring, place it in my hand, I point, and it's gone. Boom. Pretty simple to understand. Now for the second version of it, again, I show the ring, place it in my hand, I wave, and the ring is completely gone. All right, well, tough call for this one. Just because I'm not sure it looked that good with the camera tricks again. I should have used maybe a different technique for this camera trick, but again, I think the sleight of hand wins. Let me know in the comment. And also, like this video if you enjoy what you saw. I'm kind of impressed how I can actually fake my job within editing software. I can just fake any magic trick. It's a bit scary actually. It was a pretty good experience for me. Thank you, Wes, for the idea. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I was really impressed actually how everything turned out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually getting a bit drunk right now because of this. Thank you, Wes. But also I had a lot of fun comparing a camera trick versus a magic trick, like a real thing that I can actually perform in the real world. It was pretty awesome to see, and let me know in the comment if you guys want to see more videos like this. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here and you want to learn magic tricks or you just like magic, please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Alex Boyer, and I'll see you guys really, really soon. Peace!